So this week's word of the week for week number 31 is DOMS. Now DOMS is an abbreviation for delayed onset muscle soreness. Now DOMS commonly happens a day or two after a workout, and it's muscle pain that develops after working out. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 29 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, you have X's. Exercise number 2, we have side shuffles. Exercise number 3, we have flutter kicks. And exercise number 4, we have fire hydrants. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 29. Exercise number 1, we have X's. So what we're gonna do is start with our feet about shoulder width apart. We're gonna have them spread out, and then we're gonna jump towards the middle, placing your feet together, and then you're gonna jump out wide, kind of like you're making the top of the X, okay? And then you're gonna go back to the middle, and then open up again. Again, making an X, 2 at the bottom, 2 together, and 2 up top, making an X, okay? So those are called X's. Number 2, we got side shuffles. So we're gonna go ahead and start either to your left or right, whatever you feel comfortable with. Nice squat position. You're gonna shuffle 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna switch, go opposite direction. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you want to pick up the pace, you can actually do it in a quicker motion. So yeah, that's side shuffles. Exercise number 3, we're gonna go on down to our bottoms and back. And we're gonna do some flutter kicks. So you're gonna keep your hands on the floor, lift your legs up about 6 inches off the ground, and you're gonna go up and down, just like so. All right, and the last one we're gonna do are fire hydrants. So we're gonna go ahead and open up, either again with your right or left leg, and you're just gonna go into a push-up like position and extend your leg out and in, out and in. We're at 3 times on your right leg, and 3 times on your left leg. And that is it, my friends. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 29, and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. X's. Notice how my body is moving forward. I am traveling forward and backwards. Open, close, open. Again, making a letter X with your feet. You can step it out. You do that. Just step together, together. Whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? As long as you're moving, that's all that matters, my friends. All right, side shuffles. Here we go. And go. 1, 2, 3. Tap your ankle. 1, 2, 3. Tap your ankle. Side to side. Nice and low, nice and low. Let's go, my friends. Remember, the motto, just finish. Work hard. Every time we have a Fast 5 workout, work harder. Use your body. Get your exercise in for the day. Try your best. And time. All right, we got flutter kicks. Here we go. Go on down. Starting at 3, 2, 1, and go. Extend your legs up and down, up and down. Let's go. Make sure you guys focus on the breathing. 15 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. You got it, my friends. Work hard. Time. Let's go, fire hydrants. I'm gonna start with my right leg and extend. Go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going, my friends. You're doing great. Work hard. And time. Nice job. All right, here we go. 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. You guys know the drill. Grab some water, stay hydrated. Let me just use this time to focus on your breathing. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. All right, my friends, again, we're gonna go right back up top. We got X's, side shuffles, flutter kicks, and finishing it off with our fire hydrants. I'm super impressed with all the hard work so far. Keep working hard. We only have one more round, my friends. You can do it. Believe in yourself, okay? That's all I ask of you is to believe in yourself, try your best, and work hard. I got you, my friends. 10 seconds left. Here we go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. High five it. All right, here we go. Round 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Go with those X's. Let's go. Again, open, close, open, moving forward, traveling forward and backwards. Do your best. Work. Just finish, my friends. Remember the motto. It's there. And here we go, side shuffles. 1, 2, 3, tap that ankle. 1, 2, 3, tap that ankle. Go. Quicker. Try to get at least 10 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, let's go. You got it. All right, going down, flutter kicks. Last 2, my friends, last 2. We got this. 3, 2, 1, and go. Legs up. Flutter kicks. Keep your core tight. Stand up your stomach. You want to challenge yourself for your head, your torso slightly up. So you're breathing. 10 seconds left, my friends. And last one, let's go. Fire hydrants. Extend, go. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3. You're doing great. Finish it off. Let's go. Work hard. Just finish, my friends. Just finish. Everything you got. I feel the sweat going on. Let's go. Work. This is it. Finish strong. And time. Nice job, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 29. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what exercises you would like to see on a future Fast 5 workout. Drop a comment down below. And if you've not done so already, make sure you guys go check out my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts, if you want to get straight to the workouts. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Zig-Zag Bowling. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for zigzag bowling. I have 4 water bottles over here, slightly filled, just a little bit. And then I have 4 cones over here. Now, obviously, this can be modified and used, maybe use some shoes, maybe use some teddy bears, stuffed animals, whatever you guys have at home. You can use those instead of cones. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to start and you're gonna have to do a zigzag pattern, kind of like you do in basketball, soccer training, right? You zigzag through cones. So you're gonna zig, you're gonna zag, go through, and then you're gonna have to run back. Once you run back to your starting cone, you're gonna pick up a sock ball and you're gonna roll it. Make sure you step with the opposite foot, stay low to the ground, tick tock, and again, roll it, and you wanna knock down the water bottles, just like I did right there. Now you get 2 tries. Now, if you are able to knock it down like I just did, so after I knock this down, I'm gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna zigzag through again, and then I'm gonna step up to the next cone, yellow, next one, green, and then to the white. Now, you're gonna have 1 minute to try to knock down all of these water bottles, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll give this activity a try in just a moment. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Zigzag through the cones. Come around, 2 rolls. All right, that's 1. Moving on to the next cone, zigzag. Come around. Oh, it's 2, zigzag. All right, 3rd water bottle. All right, that's 3, last one. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Zigzag. And time. With 25 seconds left to spare, Mr. Garcia completed level 1. All right, so now here's the setup for level 2. Now level 2, I actually moved the water bottles out further back. They're about 6 feet away now. And instead of going just traditionally side to side, like we did round 1, round 2, we're actually gonna go forward and backwards. So we're gonna start here at the red cone. We go forward, back pedal, through the cone forward, back pedal, around, and then you get your 2 rolls. Now remember, you must knock down the water bottle in order to move on to the next cone. So get ready for level 2, and I'll start in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1. All right, moving on to the next one. In and out. That's 2. Moving on to the 3rd cone. All right, 3 cones knocked down. Last one. Go in and out. To the beginning. Oh, and time. All right, so for level 2, Mr. Garcia was only able to knock down 3 of the bottles. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of zigzag bowling. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activities. What different locomotor movements would you have chosen for this activity? Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.